This is Papago N291 car dash camera. This is a dual channel car dash camera and comes with front and back support. High definition 3K video recording. Front camera records 3K videos and back camera records full HD videos. Let's talk about field of view. Both lenses are super wide. Front camera is 144 degree and back camera is 130 degree. The Papago N291 supports up to 256 GB memory card and all the microSD cards are compatible with this camera. The Papago N291 has dedicated app support which allows you to directly connect the dash camera with your smartphone via Papago Focus app. The Papago N291 comes with Sony CMOS lens sensor. The sensor is enhancing the video quality like highlight and shadow balancing, dynamic range and low light performance. Let's talk about the body sensor. The Papago N291 supports inbuilt G sensor that automatically detects sudden impacts, sharp turns or emergency braking. When triggered, the dashcam instantly locks and saves the video recording of the moment. Loop recording, unexpected incidents is always preserved safety. The Papago N291 comes with a 3 inches crystal clear display. The screen allows you to instantly play back, adjust settings and monitor live recording in real time. So overall, this is the best camera in the world because this camera is not taking too much spaces in your car's front view. And the biggest thing in this dashcam, this is a compact design dashcam, but it still gives you all the specifications and benefits. First, this is a dual channel dashcam with compact design. Second, this camera records 3K with the front and Full HD with the back camera. Third, it has a 3-inch screen which allows you to monitor live recording in real time. And many more like lens sensor, body sensor, Wi-Fi connectivity, app connectivity, all the compatible supports it will give you with a compact design. If you are watching this video on Instagram, please check bio, you will get the purchase link. And if you are watching this video on YouTube, please check the description, you will get the purchase link. Do like, share, comments and subscribe. Thank you so much.